Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to start playing Omegle on Roblox. Now I'm going to show you how to find the server and start chatting with random people. Now the first step that you want to take is changing a setting. It's very important that you go into the settings right here, go into the parental controls and make sure that the allowed experiences is set to at least 13 plus. Now if you've done that, we can go into Roblox again and from here we type in row-meet. Now, this will open up the Roblox experience right here, and this is the one we're looking for. Now, here what you want to do, you want to go into the game, as you can see, open a Roblox game client, and I'm going to show you how it works. It's very easy. What you can do is here press OK, and from here go into the start. Now, this will start the chat, as you can see, and here we can press hi and start chatting with the person who is in front of us. Now, and as you can see, it already starts by chatting. How are you doing? Now, from there you can start chatting. If you want to skip someone, it's very easy as well. Simply use the green skip button. Now, let's say you want to use the voice chat function. This is paid, so I would advise you to only use the chat function. Now, if you still got questions, leave them in the comments down below. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.